Welcome to Karka channel of textiles. We were doing knitting industry education and practical orientation videos in this channel. There are a lot of experienced peoples all over India requested me to put the same video in English. Due to some preoccupations, I could not be able to do the English channel earlier. Now I decided to come with an English version of our Karka channel of textiles, which concentrates on the weft knitting. There are two types of knitting all over the world. One is warp knit and weft knit. The weft knit is the most wider used textile industry fabric in India. As far as warp knit is concerned, we are not that much grown, and there are some places in North India like Gujarat and some place Ahmedabad, there were certain people producing the warp knit fabric. And weft knit fabric is mostly produced in both in South and also in the North India. And the growth was tremendous between 1990 to 2020. Because of the pandemic, COVID-19, the growth is sluggish and it is expected to take off during 2022 itself. And this is the appropriate time to update our knowledge. And I would like to share my experience in this field. It will be helpful to the youngsters, those who are waiting for the employment, and also people those who are working in this industry. We are going to discuss in this channel about the industry technicals and also the business opportunities available in this industry. It is very easy technology to understand and follow by everybody, and it is one of the unavoidable fabric in the whole of the human condition, because the woven fabric is mostly used for the formal dress making, and the knitted garment is used for the inner wear and also for the sports and casual wear. This area is widening, day by day it is widening, and a lot of people have switched over to their traditional dressing to the knitted garment. So this is having very good opportunity, this is having very good future as far as the textile is concerned. What is weft knit? Weft knit is a process of producing a fabric by using a yarn, bending into loop and interlocking each other to create a fabric surface. By interlocking the loops, and the weft knit is the open leg loops, it is having very good elongivity and also resilience. This resilience character will bring the fabric to its life, and also the elongivity character gives easy to wear, and also it absorbs the sweating immediately. Due to the perforations in the fabric, it is dried very earlier than the normal woven fabric. Woven fabric is made up of two yarn. One is warp yarn and another one is weft yarn. But weft knit fabric is made up of single yarn. By forming the loop, interlocking the course, the horizontal ways, and in the vertical ways it is being interlocked. So a surface is created. And this yarn is different from the woven yarn. In woven yarn, normally warp yarn will be stronger, and TPI, twist per inch, is on the higher side. The weft yarn will have the less TPI. Moreover, in the woven yarn, two types of yarn is used. One is warp yarn is some high twist yarn, and weft yarn is somewhat lower than the warp yarn twist. Whereas in the knitting industry, we are using low twisted yarn. TPI is lesser than the woven yarn. Why? Because the purpose of producing the weft garment is, earlier it was only for the inner wear. Inner wear purpose is to absorb the sweating and it should not create any odor in the body. So the yarn used in that fabric should be somewhat very soft, and it must have a less twist. Then only the moisture created by the body will be absorbed very quickly. These are all the conditions, these are all the requirements of a weft knit fabric. But woven fabric doesn't need to be close to the body. But weft knit innerwear is close to the body. It has to be in the closer to the body to absorb the sweating. So these are the conditions which the knitted fabric cannot be eliminated from this industry, from this textile industry. So growth will be on the higher side. Taking this COVID opportunity, I request the students, those who are waiting for the employment opportunity, and those who are in this already in this industry, can improve the knowledge, and the future after 2022 is going to be very brighter for this industry. Now we are going to discuss every aspect of technical aspect of this industry, this fabric, and the knitting machine, about the knitting machine, and what are all the things you must know to become a merchandiser in this field, and where the avenue is left in this field, and what are the business opportunities we can create by this in this field. This everything we are going to discuss. Keep watching our video, and if any doubt is there, you can give it in the comment box. I will try to reply to you. And in the next video, we will discuss about the yarn. What is yarn used in this weft net fabric? What are all the yarns used? Mainly we use cotton yarn. But polyester also being used, blended is also being used, and lycra is also being used. But cotton yarn is used, maximum 90% cotton yarn is used. So these yarn details first we will discuss, and then we will know about the knitting machine and the fabric details, and then we will go for the garment making. Everything we are going to discuss. So I request everyone to follow this channel and subscribe our channel, so that you will get the notification, and tell to your friends about this channel. A lot more to come. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. Thank you.